Team R4UL, we are back again. What is happening, my people out there? Throttle TV, Team R4UL, we are back again. Yeah, we're back this time, right? This time we're back for good, right? Mechanical content coming your way because we've got everything sorted now. Throttle TV, we are taking the world by storm. Right, anyway, what we're doing now is we've got a 65 plate Seat Leon and we're going to go ahead and replace the throttle body. I think I've done this in the past. Okay, the throttle housing, the throttle body should be dead easy. Okay, you can do it outside your house. Basic tools, no trouble whatsoever. Let's go, let's do it. It's a petrol one. Okay, I think it's a 1.4 petrol, this one. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, you might be thinking, why am I replacing the throttle body? Okay, the reason why I'm replacing the throttle body is because the engine management light is on, and obviously we've code read it, so we're going to code read it again, and we'll show you guys. We'll code read it with the top-down software. This is what it's saying on the top-down software, right? So yeah, let's have a look. Right, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do a diagnostic check on it. So diagnostic check, VW. It's not VW, even though it is a VW technically. It's not really a VW, it's a Seat. So it's got the VW engine and everything in it, so yeah, I say VW. Okay, so go to Seat. Okay, so we'll go to engine electronics. It's got the one code. It says the throttle pedal position sensor B low input. Most likely it's that one. Okay, we've got the tire pressure warning light. Maybe it's one of the tires flat. So yeah, that's it. So as you can see, that's what it says. So we're going to go ahead and replace the throttle body. Let's go. Okay guys, I better hurry up with this one because Woody, my man Paul Woody there in the background, he goes, where's the music gone? I have to turn the music off because copyright, right? So I've had to turn the music off, right? So I better hurry up and do this job so we can put the music back on and we're back to normal again, right? Let's go, let's do it. Right, just before I start off, eagle-eyed viewers out there, you guys are going to be saying, oh, it's not a 1.4, it's a 1.2, okay? 1.2, I think it's pretty much the same on the 1.4 as well, pretty much, right? So what we're going to do first off is, you can take this little plug off. You can do it with that one hand. Have I got the strength? I've got the strength, there you go. Right, so we're going to take that off. You don't have to take that off first. We'll take this off. There's one. There's another one. Move them out of the way. That should come straight off like that. Give me a minute. Right, okay, once we have got this off, the throttle body lives there. That's the one there, okay, this one here. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this pipe off, right, dead easy. It's got clips on either side, one here and one on the other side, exactly the same as that, and you just, hang on, get a flat screwdriver. All you do is you just ping it out like that, okay. All you do is you just ping it out like that. Same on the other side, opposite side of that. Ping it out, pull the pipe out, and you're good to go on this side. Same on this as well. If you look at it, we've got two little clips. Ping that one out there, and another one in there. Make it out. Ping that one out as well. Right, and then lift the pipe up, and it should come straight off. Okay, that's off, and that is off. Okay guys, this pipe is off. Just one little top tip is when you do come to take it off, these other pipes, like this one, was connected there. You had these hard plastic pipes connected on there and there. Just be careful when you come to take it off. You don't want to break them, then you're gonna have another field day. Right, okay, so now as we can see the throttle body. All we do now is take this plug off, get a flat screwdriver, or if you're strong enough, do it with your fingers. Right, push it down there and then flick it off. There we go, that comes off. We'll put that to a side, out of the way. But all we need now is we need some Torx. I would say the 30 or 35. Take them four off. This one, this one, this one, and another one is in there. Let me get the light on, maybe you can see it better. In there, as you can see there. Torx 35, I would say, or 30. I'm gonna go for the Torx 30. Okay, and let's take them off. Throttle body should come straight off. Right, let's go. Okay, so I've got myself a Torx 30. Put it on there. And you can't get it wrong. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Take them off. Let's go. Right, okay, we've got all them four screws off. What we do now is just give it a little wiggle, and boom, there we have it. That comes off. We've got a seal there. Make sure you make sure the seal's on. Okay, we don't when we come to refit it, we don't want the seal to be missing. Make sure that green seal's on. If you get a new one, happy days. If not, make sure you keep that seal on there. And there is our throttle body. Right, let's get the new one on. Right, okay, there's our new one in there. All I'm going to do is put this back on. Obviously, it's a bracket that goes with the bolts, the screws actually. Get this on, and that's it. Get everything on in reverse order. Let's do it. Okay guys, so that's it, all done and dusted. That's how we replace the throttle body on a Seat Leon 2015, that is 1.2 petrol, that is, not 1.4. I know I said 1.4, I'm sorry. Okay, so that's it. Woody will be happy now because guess what? Cue the music. Right, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope this video helps you guys out, and I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.